Okay, what we got today is a made in the USA Kershaw 1670. Got a broke tip. It needs to be cleaned. See the rust there. I'm gonna break it down, clean every piece. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come from the top down to meet the factory edge. It's still got the factory edge on that, but I'm gonna bring it down to meet that edge right there. It's a good knife. It feels good. It's solid. It's in pretty good shape to have a broke blade. And it just needs to be clean. Made in the USA. About to go over there and redo this tip real quick. And then we'll take it apart. Not a bad looking blade at all. Still got the factory edge. That's what I was wanting. It's a good thick tip right there. All that silver right here, but that's fine. Now we're fitting to take it apart and clean every piece. Get all that surface rust off. Like we got a stripped out screw. Look at the grease in there, son. It's nasty. I'm gonna clean all that up, put some new grease in here. That's the torsion bar that acts like a spring, which it is a spring, but they call it a torsion bar. Nasty. I got one problem. I got a stripped out screw right there. I gotta figure out a way to get that off. I've got a screw to replace it. Got it. That was stripped out screw. What I had to do is cut a little slot right there with the bandsaw. Enough to where I can get a screwdriver in there and spin it around some. Enough to where I can get these on it. And it worked. Alright, I got it stripped down now. I'm fixing to clean each piece real good. Put some new grease in there. But I always like to start out with 400 grit sandpaper just to get all the gook off. Now, never dull on each piece. The torsion bar. See how that grease was just all caked on there. It's nasty. All right. Put a little white lithium grease in there. I hope I can control that spray. Plenty. Clean it up just a little bit. Okay, let's try this. Then you're gonna have to hold all that. Tighten down just a little bit. Take this back out. There you got one in there. I think it's gonna hold it in place. Right. I'm trying to get the torsion bar into that little small hole on the blade. Right there. Just line up. I think we got it, y'all. Yeah, these are hard to put back together now. How about that? I got it together. Man, that was a booger bear. Okay, I tighten this all the way down. And I don't go too tight. I don't go too tight. I just get it where it's snug, and I back off twice. That blade turned out good now. It's sharp too. Still got the factory edge on it. Put a nice new point. Nice. Now I got to put the clip back on. All right, but you got that other screw. That one right there. Fat fingers and little screws do not work together. That is a good looking knife. Alright, here she is. Kershaw 1670, the Blur. And it looks good. It turned out really good. Beautiful. Turned out good. I'm carrying this for a while. Beautiful. She's a lot better shape from when I found her. And it's remade in America.